friends, today's video is all about Chickpet shopping. So according to my knowledge, I have shared some shop names and also visiting card details. If you want the shop details, go through the video completely and you can grab the visiting cards as well addresses too. So from the right side you can see Metro Plaza. It's behind the Chickpet metro station. As we went on bike, so it's easy to locate from one place to another. So here you can see up-to-date fashion. There you can find like tops and all western wear. Those are all reasonable. And going to next shop, like if we go from right straight, you can find Hero Cycle World. So in Chickpet also you are having a Cycle World shop. It's a branch, and here nearby you can see many shops, small shops. All are wholesale prices. So here I'm showing the money plant and all flower decoration articles and items. These are very good in quality. Flowers which are decorating for our house, like these garlands are very good in quality. As well you can see many shops over there. While going I saw this handbag shop. It's very good, like very huge amount of collection and up-to-date collections are there here. So it's can you see this rabbit and teddy bear? These are also wallets, side hanging wallets, baskets, wooden baskets, and these are all decoration articles.
And for best price fabrics, you can visit Basavaraja Market nearby Raja Market.
You see this neck set, which is very nice. Like I have shooted this in Bombay jewelry. So going to the entire look of the shop. Here are the display items, and this is the complete shop. They are having a very huge jewelry. Like every piece is available. Like they can give them by single piece or huge amount also. And I shooted the complete shop. This is the visiting card of them, Bombay Fashion Jewelry. If you want, you can contact them and convey them that you are coming from Shravani Garikapati channel through seeing this in our channel. Okay, and these are very beautiful sets, like uncuts and rubies. Everything is there. So if you are going for 1 gram jewelry, I have shared you 2 shops. Go for them and you can buy whatever you want which you like in a reasonable rate compared to outside. And I like this set, like half is gold and half are very different colors like ruby and emerald. And this is a flower decoration shop. Like here I bought some money plants also, like which is a plastic one. We can hang them. I will upload a picture of that. These are many shops, like you can see many shops in Chickpet while going around there. And I was fond of flowers and all. Actually they're very huge in amount and very colorful. Also these are having like decorative articles with buckets and all. You can see this, and here's the owner, and I am uploading the same, like where it is and all. You can find the address above. This is Ramdev Flowers wholesale dealers. So they are having a huge collection. If you want, you can go for that and convey my name.
I bought some stuff from the same shop. Like this is a flower vase which I used in kitchen. It cost me around 120 rupees. It's a great deal. And I also brought a rose flower bunch which is having 5 flowers, and it's not like artificial one, it's like real flowers. And I used it in a vase and it cost me around 200 rupees.
And this is also another flower shop which is used for decorating like functions and all. They can provide us very huge amount of flowers and all in a wholesale price itself.
In this video, I'll be sharing you what all I bought from Chickpet. So please go through the video till the end. You can find all the addresses too. I think this is the best place who are living in Bangalore for shopping.
The best shop I have visited for fabrics. Here is my friend and my mom. He is the owner. There are huge amount of fabric varieties like silk, cotton, like heavy materials like meter from starting from 200 to around 1000, 1500 also. I bought some material fabrics for my child for her birthday here itself. So you can see the quality also. It's good in quality and they are giving us for reasonable prices itself. Actually, Chickpet is famous for its clothing, and I opted this yellow color cloth fabric which is organza, and it cost me meter 200. It's a good deal actually. So all these materials are from Mox Creation.
I'll be sharing you some images which I have bought for my baby in the same shop. This shop is opposite to Sudarshan. This cloth is organza and it cost me around 200 meter. The upper part is mukmal and it has all a detailing of work also. It cost me around 500 meter. And this is the other pair which I bought this cream color for 250 meter. And our next shop is Konal, which is in Raja Market, right side. So here we can customize the pearl sets which we want. I customized myself and took 3 sets which you can see in this video. This is a choker set. Separately I bought that locket and earrings for 800 something. And the pearls are different. So the making man will be sitting outside. So he takes around 200 to 250 charge to make this. We buy from websites. We can't know whether they are giving us good pearls or not. So if you buy like this, you can make by yourself, like which you want to customize, you can opt it. And these are emeralds which are pretty good in look. If we customize 4 lines, it will be very nice, but for dresses I opt like this. And this is a Ram Parivar locket which I have took in another 1 gram gold shop, which cost me around 550. I'll be showing you the shop details also. And I have customized this like this. And coming to this green set, all are rubies and good in quality. I have customized with this gold beads and spring in the middle to hang our lockets. If you hang this small locket, no, it will be okay, but if you have more big locket, it will be very nice to hang it. Better take changeable locket so that you can manage for every chain which you like. So this is the Ram Parivar locket which I...
Coming to Shelva gold covering, it is like 1 gram gold jewelry, good collection.
I'll be showing you some collection which I have bought from this shop. And these are the 2 bangles I took for my baby. These are pretty good on her. And it cost me around 340 I think. And these are 2 bangles, 2-4 in size, which I bought for myself. And it cost me around 240. And this is a Ram Parivar locket as I have shown earlier, like which is a changeable locket. It cost me around 550, but he gave me for 500. Actually the shop is no bargain, fixed prices, but these many items I have bought, no, so I asked it for bargain. And this is Bajuban. I bought for my child actually, but it's too big for her. I used in a video, if you can see. This is the Bajuban, and I bought this for 550 or 600. It's a pair. And I hope the video is helpful. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.